Mkhwebane appeared before the Section 194 inquiry on Monday, this after her legal team withdrew from the proceedings early last month. The Public Protector's Office decided to stop paying for her legal fees at the end of March due to insufficient funds.
Currently, I do not have any legal representation. In any event, on Friday, the committee was served with an agent court application to resolve the impasse of the funding and the illegal committee meeting. We cannot go forward before the issues are resolved.
But the committee says such an application will not stop its work.
Such an application, such an exercising of one's right in relation to this process must never be construed as an interdict. The fact that the PP is applying to a constitutional court cannot stop this process from proceeding.
Mkhwebane also takes issue with what she terms an illegal meeting in which the committee gathered and the evidence leaders read out court judgments regarding her reports to the committee. Mkhwebane and her legal team did not attend these sessions. She was told that a maximum of 4 million rand has been made available for her legal representation.
And if you say the 4 million is enough, we will proceed, and then the funds will be exhausted again, because I understand, which I don't know how they came to that, the money is including the traveling, the accommodation and everything.
In another threat, Mkhwebane says she intends to lay a complaint with the Judicial Service Commission against the ConCourt for delaying its judgment on the appeal challenging the High Court ruling that her suspension was unlawful.
I will also be raising a serious complaint, a formal complaint with the JSC, especially on the delay on this matter, but that's another issue.
The inquiry has now been postponed to next Monday.
We're resuming next week, Monday, with the new or old legal representative, depending on how the work of the PP, what she does. But this is what needs to be clearly understood, colleagues, today before we adjourn, that we're going to resume on Monday.
The committee is mindful that Mkhwebane's term of office ends in mid-October and it wants to complete its work before then. Ulelani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.